All right, problem 7. We're so close. Okay. Given the graph of f of x, which is this original line here, right? Graph f of x. I was trying to do it straight and then it just did not work. Here we go. You see the black line. I don't know. I was outlining in black. Given this graph of f of x, graph f of x minus 4. That's what's happening here. Okay. So if you remember, this process, this type of problem is all about transformation, right? Or translation in this case, where we are going to do something to a function. We can multiply, we can add, we can subtract. And that changes what our graph looks like or what our line looks like on a graph. Okay. And the thing that's happening here is we are vertically translating, right? We are going to move our graph f of x either up or down based on what we add or subtract. Okay. Well, in this case, we are subtracting 4. And what this does, anytime you subtract a number from a function, this shifts our line down 4. Okay. It's as easy as that. Think about it like this also, right? We've changed our y-intercept down 4. So if I look at my graph, here's my original y-intercept at -2. To shift that down 4, all I have to do is count down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then we kind of have to think about, well, if I'm just vertically translating, this line, my new line, is going to have the same slope, right? We did not multiply, which means we're not going to change the slope at all. And if I examine this line here, I can see the slope is up 1 over 2, or 1/2, which means that my translated line is going to have the same slope. Okay. And in fact, right there, that is my line. My new transformed line is that one right there. Okay. I know it's in black. Can I change it to blue? Here we go. Whoop. Didn't work. Never mind. Okay. Notice also, like, I know I talked about the slope of the line, but really, I also just took every single point essentially and just shifted it down 4, right? Anywhere I look on this graph, this original line, my new line is just 4 units below it, right? Which is exactly what the translation does. So don't overthink it, right? If you're just subtracting, if you're just adding, that's just going to move up and down. If you multiply by something, that's going to change the slope, okay? We did some practice problem like this on Monday this week. So you can look back through your notes on that. I think it was 3.3, activity 3.3, which is page 50 in your book. But as for this problem, that's it.